Welcome to my channel. Today I will be removing VW Crafter's 2nd Gen front suspension. First step is to remove the linkage attached to the spring using 22mm spanner and T40 Torx. However, you need to first loosen the bolt using an air tool or a breaker bar to ease the process of removing the bolt. Now using 22mm spanner, hold the bolt while inserting the Torx to the linkage and start to unfasten the linkage. Bear in mind that to unscrew the linkage nut, you need to set the ratchet to on position or screw position to unscrew the linkage. Once the bolt is loose enough to remove without force, you can use power tool to speed up the process. You can now detach the linkage from the spring. Now once again using 22mm ratchets, remove the bolts holding the spring and hub assembly together. Once again, an appropriate power tool, breaker bar and lubricant is a huge benefit to remove the nut and bolt. It's perfectly normal for the bolt to get stuck or is hard to remove. In this case, just insert an appropriate tool to hammer the bolt. You don't need to be concerned about damaging the bolt's thread as a new pair is given with the new spring. Now remove the brake pad sensor. Now detach the spring and hub assembly. Now open the hood and remove 3 14mm nut holding the spring. Once the nuts are loosened, you can remove them by hand. The final step should be done within a company as nothing is holding the spring after the final nut. You have successfully removed your vehicle's spring. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.